Welcome to World Coins Explorer, the channel where we take you on an exciting journey through the stories behind rare and fascinating coins from around the world. In today's video, we'll explore a beautiful and widely circulated coin from Southeast Asia, the 50 Sen coin from Malaysia, minted in the year 2001. This coin might look simple at first glance, but it carries deep historical, economic, and cultural value. So sit back and enjoy as we uncover all the important facts about this Malaysian coin. The 50 sen coin is part of the Malaysian ringgit currency system, where 100 sen equals 1 ringgit. It is the highest denomination coin in general circulation in Malaysia. The coin you see here was minted in 2001 and belongs to the second series of Malaysian coins introduced by Bank Negara Malaysia, the country's central bank. This series focused on modernizing coin designs while still paying tribute to national identity. On the obverse side of the coin, we see a hibiscus flower in the center, Malaysia's national flower, locally known as Bunga Raya. The hibiscus represents courage, life, and rapid growth, which are key ideals of the Malaysian spirit. Above the flower is the inscription Bank Negara Malaysia, which translates to Central Bank of Malaysia. The denomination 50 sen is boldly struck below the flower, with the year of minting 2001 split to the left and right. Although not visible in your provided image, the reverse side of the 50 sen coin typically includes traditional Malaysian patterns or motifs, especially in the second coin series. Many coins in this series display native tribal designs that reflect the diverse cultural heritage of Malaysia's multi-ethnic society. These patterns help connect modern Malaysia to its rich traditional roots, making even small coins like this one symbols of national identity. The 2001 50 sen coin was made from a copper-nickel alloy, which gives it a silvery appearance and good resistance to wear. It has a diameter of approximately 27.5 millimeters and weighs about 9.3 grams, making it a substantial coin when held. The edge is reeded, which helps prevent counterfeiting and adds a tactile feel. The coin's durability and size were ideal for daily use in vending machines and public transit systems. The year 2001 was a period of economic growth and modernization in Malaysia. Coins like the 50 sen played an important role in everyday transactions. As cash was still heavily used during the time, having a reliable and sturdy high-value coin was essential. The design update during this era represented Malaysia's vision of becoming a fully developed country by 2020, a goal promoted by the government at the time. Including the hibiscus on the coin was a deliberate choice to reflect national pride. The flower had been declared the national flower in 1960, and by placing it on the coin, the government ensured its symbolism reached every citizen, reinforcing unity and identity. The choice of native flora in national iconography helps strengthen public connection to the land, culture, and shared history. The 2001 50 sen coin was minted in large quantities, which means it's relatively common in Malaysia today. However, for coin collectors outside the country, it represents a unique addition, especially if found in uncirculated or mint condition. Some variants of this coin may also have minor die errors or minting anomalies, which can slightly increase their value among numismatists. It's a great starter coin for anyone interested in Southeast Asian currency. In conclusion, the 2001 50 sen coin from Malaysia is more than just a piece of metal. It's a reflection of the country's culture, economy, and national pride. From its symbolic hibiscus flower to its sturdy design, this coin has played an important role in Malaysian daily life for decades. Whether you are a collector, a history lover, or just curious about world currency, this coin offers a fascinating glimpse into modern Malaysia. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to World Coins Explorer for more detailed looks into coins from every corner of the world.